Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue of not being able to drag audio into the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're having trouble with audio file duration turning into 0 duration in Premiere Pro, this could be caused by an unsupported format or a sudden crash of the program. But don't worry, it can be easily resolved by converting the format using a free online MP3 converter. Step 1. Identify the audio format. Before you start converting the audio format, make sure you know what format it is in. Right-click on the audio file and select Properties to check the format. Step 2. Find a free online MP3 converter. There are many free online MP3 converters available on the internet. Simply search for free online MP3 converter in your preferred search engine. Step 3. Upload the audio file. Once you've selected a free online MP3 converter, upload the audio file to the website. Step 4. Convert to MP3 format. In the conversion options, select MP3 as the output format and start the conversion process. Step 5. Download the converted MP3 file. After the conversion is complete, download the newly converted MP3 file. Step 6. Import the MP3 file into Premiere Pro. Now, launch Premiere Pro and import the newly converted MP3 file into the program. You should now be able to drag the audio into the timeline without any issues. And that's it. By converting the audio file to MP3 format using a free online MP3 converter, you can easily resolve the issue of not being able to drag audio into the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you had any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.